Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's right. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's Ryan Hampson World. And yeah, let's get into the video. Right, I've just teleported. Here we go. So this guy's the before. And have you know his guy? I have a Dodo. I'm gonna try and trade it for someone. So I'm gonna give it to Galaxy Duck 604. So now I'm just gonna trade us friends. I'm gonna trade a Dodo bird, my old account. And yeah. Let's do it. I'm sorry guys, that was the someone was drilling. Sorry about that. So now I turn my trade off. And then yeah. I'm gonna sit on the present. And then I'm on my pizza use cycle, so I'm gonna get off that. And then start trading the Dodo soon. Right. Okay. Dodo bird. Apple. Come on. Right. I'm gonna trade a Dodo. The neon fly. Oh, I haven't had that then. No. A Stella Rex. No. Yeah. Anyway, you okay, guys? Did you look 602? Yeah. Yeah. I'm okay. Oh. I'm just gonna watch it. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay. Okay. How many stuff is she putting in? Oh jeez. Yeah, that's gonna decline because that is not a good trade. Oh, pink. Yeah. Okay. No. Not good. For his trade. Let's keep on trading. Rihanna. I thought that was Rihanna. So, right, but right, no. Okay. My old carousel is going to go in a minute because my battery is about to die. Listen. Oh, we won't end the video here yet. We're just because my iPad is about to die, so that's why it's going to come off soon. I'm just going to keep on trading. There we go, you know the mum. You know the mum. Alright. No. I'm trading a Dodo. I'm gonna get a bandicoot. Oh my god, no. No, this is not good. Oh, it's a rare. Oh, okay. I have a pizza years cycle for you. No, that's not gonna be worth it. Let me put my gift items. Oh, my gift items are. Like gift this pizza years cycle. But okay. So now I've got 4 pizza years cycles. There's no accept trades. Oh, crocodile. Oh, yeah, I was looking for that. No. I might quit. What? Oh. I don't have that then. Right. Alright. My old account's gonna go now, so goodbye. And I'll see you later for more videos, yeah? Bye. Right guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put my iPad on charge. Then later on I might make another video. I am back. Let's do some more. Right. Dodo. Oh my god, pizza years cycle. Right, I'm gonna add something. I declined the trade. What? What? Why? Why did she decline the trade? No. Right. Oh, someone has a pumpkin. That'd be really good. Oh, a house. I'm stuck. Don't know when we're gonna get out. Oh, there we are. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here soon. We're gonna end the video here soon. And I hope you will like my video. Oh, that's boring. Alright, we might not get the Dodo traded, but we might do it later. I don't know. I don't know, guys. And I'm gonna stop the video soon. So, yeah. Let's trade people 2 more times. If they decline, we're gonna end the video here. Okay. Oh, golden rat. Oh, for the Dodo, please. Fly. Oh, that's cool. I think I'll get that. She might decline actually. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Sorry, the trade. Come on. Trade. Because I'm going to have to end the video here soon. Boring. Oh my god. Why? Alright, we're going to do one more and then we're going to end the video. We're going to end the video. Right, okay, we're gonna end the video. Well, we're gonna end the video in a second. So, if you like the videos like these, comment down below, and I will see you guys later on. Right, bye.